some more news coming in. V. Muralidharan and Prahlad Joshi have now reached Thiruvananthapuram to meet the fishing community. Remember, Republic has now accessed these exclusive details from the battleground state of Kerala. Nearly 200 fishermen from the coast of Thiruvananthapuram have now extended their support to the BJP in large numbers after the leaders of the fishermen community approached the BJP candidate in Thiruvananthapuram, Krishna Kumar, with a demand to help in the construction of the 65 crore mini harbour. Meanwhile, this demand was made to both the IDF and UDF and has not been delivered for the last 15 years.
Myself, Bruno Harrison, so I am representing is Valitura Turamukha Samrakshana Vikasana Samiti, which representative more than 14 kilometers of this coastal belt and more than 1 lakh fishermen. And right now, the last 15 years, they are just promising us, okay, we can build a mini harbour. See, this is not a mini harbour, this is fishing harbour. So this fishing, our dream is to be built a fishing harbour here, and our livelihood we are taking depending upon this harbour. See why we need this harbour, because every monsoon season, all the sea encroachment is here. You can see this, and every monsoon season, our fishermen are doing the dangerous and adventurous exercise in the pier of this port bridge. And in that,
so you are saying for the past 15 years you have been used as a vote bank?
Yeah. Yes, exactly, because this last
Check. Prahlad, so you heard the fishermen, about the demand for the harbour. It's a 15-year-old demand. So will the BJP leadership be able to do something about this?
No, we want to do something and we have decided to do something, but modalities and other things we will work out.
Okay.
Today our candidate has brought it to my notice, and Murli ji also know everything well. It is basically to understand the problem and we want to resolve it.
Okay. And there has also been a study, 15 years, this is a 15-year-old demand. Even the IIT has done a study on it. So all the projects are set, it's just that the fund has not come. That is what the leaders are saying.
No, actually it has to be done by the state government. Okay. And if state wants central assistance, they have to send it us. If they are not doing it, how we can do it, we will work it out and we will do it.
All right. Thank you, sir.
All right, so that was a reaction coming in from BJP leader Prahlad Joshi, and he has now assured that the work that needs to be done will be done. There are about 200 fishermen from the coast of Thiruvananthapuram that have promised to join the BJP in large numbers after the leaders of the fishermen community approached the BJP candidate in Thiruvananthapuram, that is Krishna Kumar, with a demand. Remember, they need help in the construction of the 65 crore mini harbour in the region. This demand was made both to the IDF as well as the UDF that has not been delivered in the last 15 years of time.